what I'd like to ask you after you've watched this workshop, that if you found it helpful, please let us know. But also, what have we missed? I'm sure there's things that you might have questions. Perhaps you've watched the whole workshop and you've gone, oh dear, you didn't get your answer on whatever it was that I've missed. Because, I don't script these workshops. I just sit and share with you. So I know already that there's going to be a whole lot of things that I could have said, could have shared. And where does it end? It's just so much to give. So to help us to give all that what you need, would you please just write to us and say, this is what you need. Please could we address this particular matter, or you've had this difficulty, or also give us some good stories about your experience of Read Aloud or some testimonies, because I'd love to share them with other people to encourage them. And even the difficulties, let us know about that so we can see how we can help. I'm sure you've gathered by now, we've been through quite a few valleys and we've gathered lots of treasures along the way in those valleys to be able to share with you. So write to us and tell us if there's something more that you'd like us to do, to cover with regard to a language workshop, and we can always just produce that for you and add it to the end, or add it to this particular workshop, or make another one, whatever the need is. So I hope up till now what you have watched has been of some support and some help. Thank you for your time to sit and listen to our language workshop, and I hope you're blessed and enjoy your Read Aloud times, enjoy your LLATL. Make learning language arts through literature fun and enjoyable. Enjoy the whole process, even the valleys and the struggles. Just press in, continue with determination and perseverance. You will be rewarded, and bless all of you. Thank you.